We have multiplication of polynomials. In this example, we have trinomial times trinomial. So we have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. So we have first x times this whole expression in parenthesis. Next we have negative y times whole expression in the second parenthesis. And last is positive z times this whole expression in the second parenthesis. So this is equal. Now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. It means we have to multiply every expression in the parenthesis by whatever we have before parenthesis. So we have monomial x. So it will be x times x first. Next we have, when we don't have sign, it's positive always. So positive times positive will be positive, x times y. And positive times negative will be negative, x times z. Next we have negative y. We have to distribute over each term in the polynomial. So negative y times x, negative times positive. So negative y times y, negative times negative. So now we will have positive y times z. And now we have to distribute z over each term in the polynomial. So we have z times x plus z times y, and now we have positive times negative, so it will be negative z times z. So this is equal. Now we have to do multiplication. X times x give me x squared plus x times y is xy. Next we have negative xz. First I will put variable x, next y, minus y times y is y squared plus, next we have yz. Next I will write first x, next z, and we have plus, again I will write y, next z, and we have negative sign. Z times z is z squared. Now we have to check if we can combine the like terms. If we have like terms, we have xy, positive and negative xy, so we can cancel out. Next we have negative xz, positive xz, so we can cancel out. And what else we have here? We have positive yz and positive yz, but here is like invisible one, coefficient 1. So whereas we have to rewrite, we have x squared minus y squared, and we have minus z squared, and the like terms 1 we have yz and 1 yz. We have positive like terms, so we have to keep positive sign, and 1 plus 1 is 2, and we have to just rewrite the variables y and z. 1 yz plus 1 yz is 2 yz. This is my solution.